Alright, that might be better. Did a whole recording and got a really old GoPro, so it's got that snap case, and I forgot that the mic is hidden in there. So I'll probably still use the footage. I don't know. I'll have to check it out and see. Well, something on the lens there. But I'll just come right up here and show this little cut again real quick. Since that first one is probably going to be garbage. But Yawman Flights, by the way. But got a tunnel here. Did some trimming today. Get to fly with someone for the first time, hopefully this weekend, if everything comes through okay. Found out that one of the FPV guys isn't too far away. But got a lot of cool stuff out here. Trying to trim some little patches. People come through here on their four-wheelers and everything. So, you know you can get through. It's just them branches that sneak up on you. And I'm not flying DJI, so, you know, analog. Sometimes it's hard to see the little branches creeping up on you. Alright, you know how it is. Sure is a nice day today, that's for damn sure. And yeah, I 3D printed this little selfie stick. So it's my first time actually recording myself. I used to come out here. I built a waterfall down there when this was full of water. But we haven't had rain for a while, so it's been pretty dry. Oh yeah, here. Let's see. Put you upside down and look down in here. Just flip it over. Pretty gnarly down here. I guess they were gonna build a trailer park or something back there, but didn't work out right. Sorry about that sun glare in the face. But I got little tunnels that I've cut through all the places out here, and hoping I can get my friends here to fly some of these with me. Put some challenges out there. So, little stuff like that. Been wanting to fly through here, but it was typically full of water. Ooh, a hawk. Where'd you go? That's the other thing. I'm waiting for one of them hawks to come try to swoop down and grab my drone. There he is. You see him? Pretty. Oh, damn. Might be too far away to see with the GoPro. But I think there's a nest of hawks up over here because I have a bunch of birds. I have geese, chickens, guineas, all that stuff. And haven't really had any problems with any of the falcons coming to try to kill anything. But I've definitely watched them take out a bunch of cardinals and everything. So I want to power loop through that little cut right there, and then come right through there. So if you guys see anything while I'm walking and you want us to try to do some crazy stuff, little spots might be able to do a trick through or something, just let me know. You know, it's a whole new gig that I'm doing here. I've actually got a mission since I was a drug addict most of my life, and I found something that I enjoy more than anything, and that's flying this FPV. It's freedom. You know, you just can't even begin to explain it. Adrenaline rush every time. Super exciting. Best thing ever in my opinion. That's what we're all welcome to, is our opinions. But what I'm wanting to do is get a little van, one of those little panel vans. Get a couple seats in it, set up a couple laptops, whatever I can get donated or whatnot, and try to go to some of these rehabs, people that are struggling, don't really have things going for them, and let them sit there and fly some FPV simulators for a while. And you know, sure that'll, a little taste of it will get them into it. You guys know what I mean. It's freaking awesome. You can go down here. It's just a nice little cut too. Just a lot of trees out here, but it's a lot of fun trying to cut through stuff. I might trim some of these little branches here just to make that little hole right there. But yeah, I want to get people that are addicts, or just anybody in general, really. You know, go around, let people fly simulator for a little bit. You know, have a transmitter hooked up and everything. You know, the way we do it. And hopefully it motivates them to do something different. So that's what I had to do. I had to motivate to do something different. And I'm getting there, slowly but surely. But yeah, starting up Patreon. Got a Discord, Yawman Flights, on both. So if you want to support my mission, you know how to do it. Don't need to tell you anything. Every little bit helps. Don't even need money. People just help me with the equipment I need to start my mission. That'll be even better. Saves me time. But just wanted to throw that out there, and hope you guys like the little walk. And have a wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it ain't much, just me sitting there talking. But have a great day. Thanks.